Yes guys, what is happening, and welcome back to a brand new video on the Audi S1 Chronicles. Hopefully today this microphone's working okay, and we are going to get onto this car because we've had some time off and I feel so crap that we've left it so long. So yeah, without further ado, we're actually going to get on this car, and today we're actually going to do things and fix things. So Salvage Garage, I took your stuff into consideration and we're actually going to do what we said we're going to do. So I'm going to start something and we're going to finish it. Apparently last video some people felt that we didn't actually started things, didn't finish it properly, so there was no sense of achievement. But today we're going to start something, and hopefully by the end of this video we're going to finish it. So what we start on, we're hopefully going to finish on today. So let's get to it. Right, so today's issue is we need to sort this rear end out. I didn't realise it was this bad, but when I come to turn the car around, you can see this hasn't sorted itself out, and the other side looks bent as well. So I'm hoping it's not subframe, drive shaft, differential issues, because that's going to cost even more money. So I've just replaced the lower arm so we can replace everything on this side and that side. So yeah, I'm going to jack this car side up, bring the front down, because obviously we're messing with the brake lines, the coolant and all that stuff. So I just thought, get it going straight, then we'll jump on the front, and then we'll go from back to front to get it ready to run. So yeah, let's go. And yeah, if you didn't realise, standard plates back on, which can only mean one thing. Hopefully she's going to a new owner Saturday, so hopefully by the time this video's out, she's gone. Unfortunately it's not something I want to do, but to progress with stuff like the Audi and whatever comes in the future, I can't hold on to things, unfortunately, because if I hold on to this, yes I love it, but what content does it bring? And just I need to move on and carry on. So yeah, hopefully the new owner looks after her. Right, so I'm not too sure here if you can see it, but this bottom bit of the wheel is poking out, and then this bit is pushing in. I couldn't really see it from that side when the car was spun around, but it's evident that both rear end, something somewhere is slightly bent. So yeah. Right, so here we're just removing the wheel. You all know how to remove a wheel, it's just thought I'd add it for the aesthetics of the video, so we keep this story going. Right, so first things first, there's no light, I can't really see any signs of damage. Obviously this doesn't look straight at all, but it looks like there's the bush in there, like bent a bit, and that's what's causing this to hold the whole thing to move out of the way. I don't know, I can't see any other damage to anything else. So yeah, let me show you what we've ordered. Right, so I ordered a few things off eBay, because obviously this is my first time doing it, so I was like, do I look on eBay? I had issues in the past with certain websites with my Megane. I waited weeks, tried to fit it, didn't fit. So I ordered like one thing off eBay because I couldn't see it anywhere else, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to give AutoDoc another try. So I looked on UK stock list, like Euro Car Parts, GSF and all that, and I was finding like lower arms for like 90 quid. Some places didn't have it in stock. Went on AutoDoc and I managed to find like the same lower arm for like £25. So firstly I ordered an A1 lower arm, which was wrong, and then I went on AutoDoc, roughly about 2 weeks to deliver. So we've ordered a few bits brand new off AutoDoc, and we've got one thing second hand off eBay. Wish I hadn't bought the thing off eBay and bought it brand new from AutoDoc, but we've got a few new things now. I might order some other things now, just so I know I've got like a whole set of brand new things underneath. The only thing failing this is I don't know if the hub could be bent, I don't know if the subframe could be bent, I don't know if the diff or the drive shafts. Well, it drove anyway, so we know it kind of moves. So yeah, we're going to take the exhaust off as well, just to get more clearance, just so it's more visible and we can access what we need to access. So as I said, this was the eBay purchase I bought. I think it was like 20 quid for this like lower arm. I thought the one looks kind of bent, I don't know if the bush is perished. So we bought this one second hand off eBay, which I wish I hadn't done now. And while we were there, at the same time of buying the other one in the previous video, we bought this one because the lower arm on the other side was completely C-shaped, so This is a new second-hand one, but it looks sound. We've got this like lower connecting arm, so it like connects to the lower arm. We've got this one as well, which is the same as that one, just for the other side. And then we got this is the new lower arm. Apparently these are a nightmare to get out, so we'll see how bad that is. So this might be overkill, yeah, but I'm just gonna take the exhaust off, just so like you see like how I can see everything, and then this is in the way. So I might just move it from here, just so I've got all this bit to play with. And plus, like, why would you do that? I just don't understand it. So yeah, I just want to have a free roam access to all this. So let's get her off. So it's just gonna unbolt this. I don't even know if I'm gonna unbolt it from here, because yeah, I might as well. I'm just gonna like go from scratch. So this one's already undone. Undo that one, and see how it looks. The Milwaukee, I'm been told the reason why it's not so powerful is because they've got the 2 milliamp hour battery. Apparently the 6 milliamp one is supposed to be the daddy. First thing I'm stuck on is this bit here, so yeah, let's get the old power tools out. Oi! Let's undo this. Oh my god, who makes an exhaust clamp? Who makes an exhaust clamp that hard? It's just to hold the exhaust pipe in place. Oh my god, what? So all it is just to hold that at that angle. God. Right, see if the gun will do it now. Put it in power mode 3. Yep. Come on, baby, you got this. Nope. Nope, it hasn't. Right, so under here, that is absolutely absurd how tight that is. So what we're doing is, see the 2 bolts for the hanger. I haven't got the right tool to get that out. It's an absolute faff. So 1, 2, hopefully, which will allow me to get this 13 in there. So yeah, Ryobi on the job. Undo them 2, slap that one in there, and then undo them 2, which should allow the exhaust to drop. Right, so now theoretically, if I move all this out of the way, we should be able to spring loose. Oh god, no. Don't tell me the bumper's got to come off. Oh no, please don't. Oh my god, are you joking me? Oh no. Are you having a laugh? Nah, I beg you. Please no. Oh my god. I think the bumper's got to come off. No. Don't say that. Oh no, I think I need to drop the other hanger. There's another hanger, like rear quarter section, that's still like propping it up. Hopefully if I drop that, it should flex it a bit. But it doesn't look like there's any flex in this exhaust, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh shit. Right, I'm doing my absolute best here, guys. I've removed like half of the exhaust, like unbolted it. Now I just need to move this diffuser down a bit. Yep, there we go. And hopefully this should now just, well, I need to remove the valve on the exhaust first. Ready? There we go. Right, so as you can access everything loads better. So lower arm, we've got a new one for that. We've got a new like C bracket one. We've got another like back section there that like straightens it up. These apparently like these are a nightmare to get off apparently, so we're gonna see how fun that could be. But yeah, I just need to see why this is on the piss a bit. So could this be bent? Because I know on that side I struggled so much to get that in. But look, that, oh come on, please adapt. What is going on? I know here, that looks twisted as hell. Like, that looks so twisted. Right, so first port of call, I'm going to jack that side up just to release the pressure on the shock and the spring, because last time it jumped on me. So I'm going to undo the whole bottom arm, and then I'm going to switch to the other side, and I'm going to do all those, so all those there, and then hopefully that'll gain us access to this bit. This does look twisted. These two look so bad. Like, after coming right underneath it, it's like they disappear off to the right, to the front of the car. So hopefully I'll sort it. Right, so if all is well, what I should do now is lower this arm. That shock should kind of pop out. Nope, so I'm going to have to give that a little tap. Then all I got left to do now is undo that one bolt there, and then this arm should be free. Right, easy as that. Right guys, I'm seriously struggling here. 1 with the weather, 2 with the time, and 3. I hope this subframe ain't bent. I'm going to show you this because obviously I'll show you everything we do here. Obviously we've got the new lower arms to put in, but this just looks weird, man. It doesn't look like the subframe's bent because they both look exactly the same. But I'm trying to work out if the arms bent or if something else is bent that's contributing towards that being pulled in the way it is. So let me show you under here now. So we come under here like so, as I'm trying to show you. So look, I'll zoom out. So like if you look there, so if we went straight, it looks ever so slight. It looks like it's been pulled that way. But then when I look under here, like look at that, and then look at this one, yeah, like I'm gonna pull this potentially straight. Like, could something this side be contributing towards this being pulled in and out? Or does this look, is the subframe slightly bent? Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm guessing it's gonna kind of curve around the diff, but yeah, I'm not having fun, folks. I'm really struggling to get this one off, man. So guys, so unfortunately it's the end of the video. We got a massive struggle right ahead. Apparently those bolts seize into position, so it's like a steel bolt, and then the bush in the middle is aluminium. So you know, like the McGann where that's seized, it's exactly the same as that. So I'm going to have to somehow cut, I think I'm going to have to get a chop saw the bolt out, and then maybe use my new angle grinder and cut the actual ends of the bolt. So I'm gonna have to order that now. So really what I wanted to do was drop the lower end, but because I still need the bolts, I'm not gonna be able to put it back together. So yeah, I'm gonna try, and I still want to create content, want to bash the videos out. So I'm gonna try and go to 2 a week, and actually get stuck in. So whether it's 15, 20 minutes long, 20 minutes long is gonna be the cut off until we can grow and get bigger and bigger and bigger. So hopefully if we get 50 or 100k, we could do like a 30-40 minute video and get you guys stuck in. But yeah, so part 2 is going to be the rear lower arm. Hopefully if the take sales this weekend, we're going to jump back onto the Subaru, get the Subaru on the road, and then I'll use my Subaru to get me here, there and about. So hope you enjoyed this one. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.